Let's talk about value betting, one of the smartest ways to win on 1xBet. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Value betting means finding matches where the bookmakers' odds underestimate the real chance of winning. Example, if a team has a 60% chance to win, fair odds are 1.66. But if 1xBet offers 1.90, that's value. And how to do it? Use stats and analytics, compare odds across markets, and always bet only when the numbers are in your favor. And to make it, you need to go to Menu, Sports, and here you have live and pre-match different matches and also results. So what you need to do is compare different results from the past of different games and then trying to understand where you can find this value betting. So actually that's it. It's not luck, it's simple math. And if you enjoyed this video, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.